Charging a battery in reverse. Always a good idea. And then discharging. Got a couple of fans and lights hooked up to this car battery, which I may or may not have actually been able to bring back to some form of life. Just running some lights and trying to drain the battery. It's still at like 11 something volts after 24 hours, so needless to say, I think that's working well. So I've gone ahead and put the second battery on reverse charge. I'm actually charging it in reverse to try to knock some of the sulfur off the plates, and it already worked for this battery. Actually seems to have given it a new life, and that's what's going on. What you're supposed to do is charge the battery in reverse. It knocks the sulfur off the plates. You bring it down to about 2 volts after that, and then you charge it up normal polarity for 3 days at like 2% of its capability current-wise, and it works. It actually worked. Works for car batteries. It's also supposed to work for gel cell UPS batteries. Not really sure yet, but I'll let you know.